All right, well today we're going to get some more put together on the motor. Hoping we're going to get all the heads and valve train, front cover, oil pan on, get the oil pump, go ahead and get that mounted on. One thing I'd like to point out for anybody that doesn't know, when you put your pickup tube on your pumps, you always want to make sure you have some kind of tool or a good way to get the pump driven all the way down so that collar is flush with the insert. And then for a good peace of mind, we always like to put a little tack on that just to keep her in there. I've seen a lot of guys have these fall off in their pan and have no idea, and that's never a good day. So make sure your pickup's good to go. Another thing I wanted to mention real quick, you should always make sure that your collar for your pump drive is good and new. You want to make sure it has a good tight lock, and it should be strong enough to hold this and be able to put it down in the block. If it falls off when you're trying to do that, it's no good and you need a new one. After you assemble the new one with a collar, should be good and tight. No way it's going to fall off now. Alright, so on this style balancer we found out the factory timing marker wouldn't work. They require the newer 70 or newer style bolt-on timer pointer. So that's what we've got. And now we are at 0 degrees on the timer, 0 degrees on the balancer, and we are number 1 TDC. So everything is looking good with the timing so far. We should be good to go.